When there is no visible external leakage and the hydraulic system loses pressure, an internal leak is likely. Other indications of an internal leak include an illuminated brake warning lamp or fluid level rising slightly in the master cylinder reservoir when the brake pedal is pushed down. If there is a leak, the master cylinder will need to be replaced. There are two ways to do an internal leak check.
Remove the master cylinder cap and make sure the cylinder is at least half full. Have another technician step on the brake pedal while you watch the brake fluid level. If the level rises, the master cylinder primary piston cups are probably leaking. For the second method, use an approved clamp to clamp off the brake hoses. Do not use vice grips. Hold the brake pedal down for about 1 minute. If the pedal drops and there is not external leakage, the master cylinder primary cup seals are faulty.
Next, we will test vent ports to ensure they are not blocked. This is called the open vent port test. This test is to determine if the master cylinder is the cause of a brake drag condition.
Remove the master cylinder cap. While another technician steps on the brake pedal, observe the cylinder fluid level. You should see a ripple or slight spray. If you do not, loosen the nuts securing the master cylinder to the vacuum booster and gently pull the master cylinder about 1/4 of an inch to 1/2 of an inch, 0.64 to 1.27 centimeters away from the booster. Next, have the technician apply the brake pedal again and observe the fluid. If you see ripples, adjust the brake pedal push rod. If you do not see ripples, replace the master cylinder. Note that if the vehicle is equipped with a quick take-up master cylinder, the ripples can only be seen in the front half of the reservoir. The last internal test is the quick take-up valve test, if equipped. The quick take-up valve provides a high volume of brake fluid on the first pedal application on vehicles equipped with low drag calipers. To check the valve's performance, press on the brake pedal, and if the pedal travels excessively on the first application, fluid may be leaking past this valve. Also, if the pedal returns slowly to the original position, the valve may be blocked.